She's back. She's back. It's been a while since I did a vlog. Honestly, because I'm like, girl, there's not really much content that I can think of in my head other than let's make food. So I'm making food right now. I'm making curry because I was feeling for curry. We haven't had curry in quite a while. Anyway, I went to the store, took the kids with me, and then we stopped by at BUKID just to get them like a little snack to kind of hold them off a little bit so I can get my cooking on and then cleaning and all that other stuff. But I do have to work today. Yeah, this is gonna be so good. Of course, my rice, jasmine only. This is one of my favorite shirts that I always like to wear, so I always do a lot of laundry at home. And whenever I'm done with it during the day, I toss it in the washer, let it dry, and then I wear it the next day. I love this shirt so much. I don't know. This is one of my favorites. I don't know. It just, the neck part just doesn't like kind of crinkle up. So yeah, if you guys are wondering like, oh my gosh, she's been wearing the same shirt over and over again. I do a lot of laundry around here because I got kids. The washer is pretty much preoccupied 24/7 every day. It's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. First hit the back. Back. Good boy. So I got back from the store and I'm about to cook now. I got a couple of things, but that's about it. And I'm about to cook dinner. So you guys, I just want to say something, okay? I officially turned 30. Ah! 30! So here's all my ingredients for my caldereta. This one is gonna be a Bisaya style, and we're gonna fry up the veggies this time because the last time I did it, I didn't do that because I got lazy. There's too much prep, and I try to avoid prepping. So the meat that I've chosen is this right here. It's a bone in. So yeah, let's get started with this because there's a lot of things to do. Okay. So while I was at the store today, you know what I can't stand? When people pinch the vegetables. Like what is the purpose of doing that? I hate when people do that. Like, don't pinch the vegetables if you're going to the grocery store, okay? baby. So I actually added some duck here. There. I'm just adding a little bit of pineapple juice right now. I already added my seasoning and stuff, so pate liver and also tomato paste. I'm putting a lot because I want a lot of sauce. Okay, I'm putting ketchup here to kind of mimic Del Monte tomato sauce. So it kind of like balances out. Yeah, Filipino tomato sauce back home is relatively kind of sweet, so this is what I'm just doing. I'm just putting regular tomato sauce in there and then putting a little bit of ketchup so that way it kind of like mimics the Filipino style tomato sauce. You know what I'm saying? She's being a brat. Hey, look. Hi. 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 Okay, so I put a little bit of brown sugar in here and I'm gonna add some bay leaves. Okay, now I'm gonna add my vegetables in. Wow. I'm gonna let that simmer and then I'm gonna add the peas after. I think one of my favorite calderetas is like goat and beef, only because it's, I don't know, it hits different. The taste is super different from if you were to do chicken or pork. From here, and I tasted it already. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Okay, y'all, are you ready? Y'all ain't ready. Y'all are ready. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Peas. Oh, too much. Oh well. But way too much an accident. Oh well.
What? Tough looking. Jerky.
Not only that, I just want to make sausages out of them. My kids already ate. It tastes so good. Come on, focus. Oh, carrot. The mint. Let's see it. Yay! Okay, I harvested this. That's all I got. But I also have kale, so I'm gonna harvest that too. I am making TINOLA. Okay, so yeah, today I'm just gonna be making TINOLA, and then I'm probably just gonna make a sourdough loaf. And yeah, not much going on, but I'm just gonna do some dishes right now because, girl, yeah. Doing a cup of coffee. Since I do not have lemongrass by the root, I'm using this. Okay, I just added my chicken. I just bulk it down a little bit more. Now I'm just kind of sauteing it. So I got my husband to go to the store and grab a couple of ingredients because I totally couldn't find it. But anyway, here it is. This is the chili with it. I don't have papaya, but this is what I'm going to be using. And I also don't have malunggay, so I'm using other green vegetables. I'm going to pour it out. Just like so. And then start peeling. Now, if you don't have papaya, this is a really good substitute. And then I'm just gonna add 4 cups of water. I'm just gonna let it reduce down, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more, like at least, and we're just gonna let this simmer for a while until it tenderizes a bit. Let's sink this up. Just adding a little bit of pepper here. So basically, I have Swiss chard, my little baby Swiss chard, and then I've got mustard leaves. Okay, I don't have malunggay. Anyway, just gonna have to work around it. There you go. Okay, this is what it looks like. Adding my veggies now. Press it down. Woohoo! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is for Jake. This is mine. Very basic bowl.
Meridian oil, which was bought by ConocoPhillips and sold to Intex Oil, who only recently discovered the rights.
You don't want your oil here.
Tastes like
Well,
home.
the wish in one hand, shit in the other. See which one fills up first.
Maybe I slice you from your wells to your phone some.
Jake wants to make it a different way. He eats rice. That's all he does.
Works pretty simple.
Oh, he eats with his hand?